Good day everyone, my name is Kamil. Let me tell you about my family. We are a family of three. My father's name is Bom. He is an analyst. He likes to read books. My mother's name is Nong. She is a business woman. She likes to read books too. I love my family so much. That is all about my family. Thank you.